decided starting today that from now on, Twitch is going to be for like try-hard climbing, like on stream. You know, on my main account. Man, why do I sound so like congested? Ugh, I hate it. Anyway, so Twitch is gonna be just for try-hard climbing on my main account after this series is over, and I'm gonna do separate YouTube recordings right after the stream for YouTube. It's gonna be off-stream recordings, just like fun stuff. You know what I mean? So that's the plan. 2%. I feel like playing Rammus first game of the day. I don't know about you guys, but I'm just feeling it. You guys feeling it? I feel like Rammus would be just the perfect pick here. Okay. See, Rammus agrees. He said, okay. Eat up Nightblue3 Twitch Connor, so pathetic. He's begging me to stop. Wait, is that actually Tyler? I'm pretty sure that chat. You guys are honestly expert detectives. You tell me, is it him? I said pow pow to the chin. No, it's not him. You're not the real Tyler. You're not the real Tyler. You're some fake fraud poser. Ready? Dude, I'm on fire, boys. Wait, what? I should have flashed. I should have flashed on. Wait, is Tyler? I thought Tyler's reformed, dude. He's literally running it down. Okay, everyone, do not clip this. Don't show Riot. It's a slip up. It's just a one-time relapse. Oh, Peng Yuan is back. What? Let's kill worst Teemo NA. I'm coming in like a wrecking ball. Okay, he should be dead. He's done. He's done, dude. He's a donezo. He's a... What? Boom! Plus 400 gold. Let's go, boys. I think, honestly, Rammus is the way to rank 1. And you know what's great about that is I used to be a Rammus main. I used to be a Rammus one-trick, dude, a long time ago. What is that name? It won't fit, Dad? What the heck won't fit, Dad? Boom. Boom. That's a burn. That's a Solano. Okay, cool. Ooh. Ooh. Get over here. Okay, this is good. Oh, what? You can do that? No, spit him back out. Whatever, dude. You probably got food poisoning. You just ate the cog mod, dude. That's disgusting. Look at him. This looks like some spoiled milk, dude. That's probably what he tastes like.
Damn,
Am I
son,
high,
where'd you
perhaps?
find this?
Any tips for an up-and-coming streamer?
What the heck?
Season 2 Tongue, and I am trying to get back into streaming.
Oh no! Mess him up, Bane! I'm gonna die if you guys don't help me. Boom! That's free low. That's what I like to call the free low. Triple? Nice, dude. That is sick. Maybe we should wait for package to go out. Let's ooh. Ooh. What? he took his brother and then ran. Oh my gosh. Focus, focus, focus. Okay, nice smite, boys. Good smite, Vayne. Okay, we should be able to get him. He did see the shroom, right? Maybe not. Oh, he didn't E. Lol. Alright, now we have Bramble Gold, which is good. Yeah, that smite was terrible, my bad. Yo, honestly, you guys want to see a Rammus engage of the century? Watch this, boys. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Boom! That champion's disgusting, dude. That champion's disgusting! You deserve to die! Help me! Help me! Whatever, dude. That's so worth. That's so worth, honestly. Let's be real. Yeah, Knight's Vow Bane is good, I think. Yeah, Knight's Vow would have been okay here. Get him, boys! Nice. We got him, we got him, we got him, we got him. Yeah, I really wish I had a Warmogs, dude. Imagine how good Warmogs would be right now. Oh, man. Got it, boys. Got it, got it, got it. No sleep, no problem. Woo! Let's go! Who's left? Come on, boys. Oh! Okay, okay. Okay, 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 I ran into that one. Okay. Alright, I just inted. I just straight up inted, boys. My bad. Why did I do that, man? Why did I do it? Maybe because I did so much damage, it allowed my team to get a free inhibitor. Yes. Yes. That's what I... Good sacrifice. Man, my tip is a really low cooldown, isn't it? I'm coming in! Okay, no, I'm not. Okay, I am! Get the Tito! Wow, he flashed to stop that, dude. Kill him! Kill him, what's frog? Alright, let's go out. Let's go kill the nymph, dude. Man, this main is so fat. Easy game, clean game, boys. Kind of a boring one, to be honest. Nothing really happened in this game, you know? Their team just played so, like, lame. Alright, let's see if we can get plus 50, yeah? Alright, here we go, plus 50. Wow, I hit for, like, nothing. Wow, Vayne hit for, like, 10 of my hits, dude. Alright, good game. Alright, boys, it's Lulu time. A Lulu jungle, let's go. Pleased to meet you. The best part about Lulu, you guys ready for this? Oh my god, look at her! Oh man, I wouldn't stop. Okay, that's annoying. What rank did you get, Nightblue? The best rank, dude. Unfortunately, I can't do anything yet. Oh, maybe I can. Maybe I can. What? Boys, her HP. No! My buff. Are you serious? Oh my gosh, dude, I'm tilted. I should have just waited. I should have waited. Holy, that sucks, man. I'm coming, my dude. You have anything? I have to polymorph here. That's a red buff. Let's go. Okay, let's reset the minions here. Okay, I'm gonna have to let him go, I think, guys. Get out of my jungle. What? Ah, run! What? What is that movement speed? Are you serious? My E would not have saved me, by the way. It definitely wouldn't have saved me. Dude, that's insane. Let's go ahead and get a ward here. Let's go see what we can do here. I think I'm gonna have to polymorph. Oh, give him the smite. The auto attacks. Get Draven fed. Get him, Draven. That's all you, buddy. All you, my friend. All you. That's gonna go. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye, Ward. Let's get this, actually. That'd be nice. Right here. Boys. Ooh. Wait, really? You're making it too easy to gank, dude. Oh. Oh, no! Okay, we got him. Man, that sucks that Pantheon showed up, huh? Oh. There you go. Shields. Wind speaker. Let me give you wind speaker, buddy. Can you stop running from me? Gosh, this guy keeps running. Stop running. You need to leave me alone, please. Oh, how do you tame your dragon? This is why I need a dragon trader, Lulu. See, I told you I needed this. Oh god. That hurt a lot. This is a winnable fight, dude. Oh. Nightblue, what did you out there? No, Draven! I'm dead. I I gave you HP, Jace. Good luck. Alright, dude. Whatever. I think our team comp is garbage, to be honest with you. Thank you. Lucian hit him, dude! Oh, you're dead. Alright, get me out of this one, boys. Get me out of this one. Lulu did not pull off a victory for us today. Jace top, Lucian mid. Just a terrible team comp. It's okay, though. I mean, it's not like I picked anything better, though, right? We could do Lisa anyway. At least would be really good. Versus Kane? What would be good versus Kane, actually? Maybe Kha Zix. Dude, you want to do some Kha Zix? I'm actually feeling it. Let's do it. Now, let's see if we can get a gank off here. Ooh, he got her. Nice. That's really nice, dude. Cover up, cover. To be. Aw, man. What? What the heck? What elo is this again, boys? Our evolution, let's go. What elo is this, dude? Man, it looks disgusting. Ew, this looks ugly. Dude, never tell me to go to skin again, guys. Ever, please. Wow, this looks ugly. So we can actually do this. I can actually enter this bush, right? Enter this bush. Enter this bush. Enter that bush. Enter all the bushes. Boom. And we kill him, boys. Is that OP? Look at that lane gank, man. He couldn't see it coming. There's no way. Okay, I'll take it. I will take that gladly. Dude, the R evolution first is really powerful, and this is not even the powerful part about it yet, dude. Like, the power spike is coming, dude. It's coming, don't worry. It hasn't hit yet. We are very close, though. Oh! They done goofed. That's another one, boys. Ooh, nice. Triple. Ah, I didn't get the triple. Dang it. Yeah, double kill still, dude. Ace? We got the ace. Dude, I love Kha Zix so much. He's so... Because now every time my R passive goes off like this, it resets my Duskblade, which is giving me 200 bonus physical damage. It's insane. Ooh. Well, that's a kill. Duskblade again. Ah, I could have got him. Oh! No! Did you see that damage, though, dude? She got her Soda ulti off, but she insta-died. Dang it, I got greedy for Ashe there, because I saw my Duskblade reset, and I'm like, maybe we can kill her. I had a feeling they were waiting for me. Oh. I'm coming for Kate. I wonder if he ultied. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh, that's a tilter, dude. That's such a tilter. Thank God this Rammus can't touch me right now, dude. He's obsessed with the Kha Zix. Okay, nice, nice, nice. I'm waiting to use this. Actually, you know what? Let's use it now. The reason I stall my R there, by the way, like, why didn't I not instantly attack her after I pressed R? It's to refresh Duskblade, just like that. Okay. Alright. Play. Nice, dude, that was fun. Good stuff, dude. Good stuff. Kha Zix is definitely one of the better carry junglers, and again, evolve our Duskblade combo. OP. I feel like at least would be alright. Jarvan, be okay, I think, too, as well. Let's try Jarvan with Thundelords. I'm kind of curious myself. I want to see what the hype is with Thundelords. All right, since we've used this skin so much, dude, I'm actually gonna use this one. I'm so sad I didn't get this. This is a season 1 reward for being platinum, I believe, or golds. No, I think it's gold. I got it, man. I never played season 1. Top side. Let's see if the crab's up. Maybe he's doing it. Oh, there he is. I'm gonna have to back up here. Bye-bye. No, bye-bye. Bye-bye, please. Nice, he used Flash and Ghost. What? Echo, you ditched me! What's up with that, dude? Echo? Come on, Echo. Come on, Irelia. Ain't nobody gonna stop me. Burn! Baby burn! Nice, dude. Whew. Is that a free kill? I mean, it's not a free kill. Free tower? Keep going. And he's missing, boys.
Where'd you find this? Can you host games done quick after stream? It is for charity because of harm.
Oh, no. Hold on. Wait, not no to your question. Hold on, sorry. Wait. Come on, man. This Tristana, honestly, was hitting me for 45 years, that fight. Alright, we're good. Is he actually finishing Inferno? That monkey. What? Wait, what? Can someone clip that, please? Can someone please clip that? Should be done. He should be done, though. Now you see him? Boom. Here comes the boom. Ready or not. Alright, guys. Let's go, boys. Mana. Oh! We are too good at this game. Good job, Wardrigham. You get out. Yeah. Lol. Oh, he must be so mad. Right there. Okay, that's not good. Maybe? Actually, that could be okay. Ooh. Penta? Yeah, that's a wipe. That's fine. Yeah, we're good. Alright, we're fine. They have a lot of knockups in CC, man. It's actually really annoying, but that worked out. I mean, we forced a flash on either, I think it's Zillion or Annie, one of them flashed, and then we just locked them up. They couldn't move. We good. We good, boys. We good. I didn't really do too much on that last fight, really, though. We're just so much stronger than they are. Yeah, I still don't know what to think of the Thunderlords, though. So, like, the cool thing about Thunderlords is that, it applies to everybody around you, which is really cool with Jarvan, right? Because you're going to EQR a lot of people. And same thing with your Cataclysm, it actually applies to everyone around you, too. So, that's pretty cool.